Assalamu alaikum students. Today is NA lecture and in our previous lecture we discussed unit number 9. Now today we are going to discuss unit number 10 and our object is 1. Students, you know 1 means, you know very well, 1 means ek. 1 means ek. And students, you know very well when we use for singular thing and we can use one for single sentence. But here we will not use one for single sentence. Here we will use one in the place of object and we will use one while connecting two sentences with each other. For example, look at this sentence. He is catching ball and I am catching one too. Students, here we have used two sentences while using and as a conjunction in the middle of these two sentences. In first sentence, our object is ball, and in the second sentence, in the place of ball, we have used here one. Next, this room has a whiteboard and that room has one too. Here in this sentence, our object is whiteboard, and in the next sentence, in the place of object, we have used here one. Next, this book is thick but that one is thin. Next, this door is big but that one is small. She has a pen and I have one too. Students, in all these sentences we have used one as object in the place of object, and we have used these sentences while using conjunction in the middle of the sentences. Here in this sentence, in these two sentences, we have used but as a conjunction. Students, it means that we use one for two similar things, for two same things. When we talk about two same things, then we use one in the place of second object. For example, look at these markers. These are two same objects, two same things. Here we can say that this is a marker and this is one too. These two objects are same. That's why we have used in the place of second object one. Like these books, look at these books. These are two books. Here we can say that this is a book and this is one too. Here we are talking about two same objects, books, and in the place of second object we have used here one. Students, look at these pencils. These are two same objects. That's why we have used here one also. Here we can say that this is a pencil and this is one too. Here we are talking about two same objects. That's why we have used here one in the place of second object. Now students, move to the book. Here are some examples about one. Like, look at first example. She has a pen and I have one too. Students, here they have same things. That's why they have used in the place of second object one. In next sentence, he has a book and I have one too. Next, she is eating an apple and I am eating one too. Here in the place of apple they have used here one. Students, these all examples are about one. You can read these examples by yourself. Now students, come to the first picture again. Here I will tell you how we can change these pictures into simple question answers. Like, here we can say that what they have pens in their hand. Next, have they books in their hand? Yes, they have books in their hand. Next, we can say that are they drinking water? No, they are not drinking water. They are eating apples. Next, we can say that what are these? These are letters. Where are the trees? The trees are behind the houses. Students, move on next page, page number 41. Here we can say that are they watching fish? Yes, they are watching fish. Next, what are they buying? They are buying dresses. Next, how many cakes are there on the table? There are some cakes on the table. Next, what are they doing? They are playing with balls. On next page, here we can say that has a ship flag? Yes, the ship has a flag. Hopefully students, you got my point. Today our object is one, and one means egg. You know very well, one we use for singular thing, and we can use one for single sentence, but here we will use one in the place of object while connecting two sentences with each other. Here we use one for two similar things, two same things, and in the place of second object we will use one. Now students, you can create 5 sentences by yourself while using one.